Welcome to Overpacked episode number 5, where we talk about everything Pack Hacker. I'm Tom, the founder of Pack Hacker, your guide to smarter travel. In this episode, we're going to be talking about our gift ideas and deals page, a trip giveaway to New York City, our business packing list progress, and more content and website updates. Let's dive in. We're in the thick of the holiday season, and the team has been very busy pulling together curated gift guides with a bunch of different gift ideas on them. Be sure to keep a close eye on our deals page as well, where we'll be frequently updating the page as the newest deals roll in. These deals are from some of our favorite brands of 2019 and cover some of the products that we've been fortunate enough to review in the last year. AJ, our managing editor, has been keeping this page completely up to date, sometimes on the hour, so you can be sure that it always has all the best travel gear deals that we've reviewed on our site. Make sure to check that out, link in the description below. If you're not signed up yet, be sure to join our newsletter to get access to our Deals Vault. So we have the public deals page and the Deals Vault, which has more exclusive promo codes for even more discounts. So that's deals on top of deals. And we're really excited about the 4 gift guides that we've been working on over on our website. The first is the Eco Groovy gift guide with REI, which features ethical and sustainable travel gift ideas. Next, the Adventure Essentials gift guide with Moose Jaw, which features gift ideas from outdoor enthusiasts and adventure travelers. The Urban Explorer gift guide with Huckberry features useful travel gift ideas for everyday adventure. And lastly, our Ultimate gift guide, which features a collection of a bunch of different travel and everyday carry gear that we think makes great gifts. Plus, we've organized it by price, so you can find a gift that fits whatever budget you're working with. We've partnered with our friends over at Dollar Flight Club to give you the opportunity to win a free getaway to New York City. The prize includes accommodation for 4 nights, round-trip flights, and travel gear, so nothing will hold you back on your adventure. I love that city. I lived there for a couple years in Williamsburg, Greenpoint, and Dumbo, so if you do make it over to New York, make sure to check out Brooklyn as well. There's a great variety of bag stores as well, so if you are a bag enthusiast, which you likely are if you're watching this video, it's always great to hop into these stores and get your hands on the products in person to check them out. We'll drop a link in the description below, so be sure to enter to win. We are deep into the research process and selecting the gear that'll fit into our business packing list. We're focusing this packing list on people that take trips anywhere from 2 to 5 days, specifically for business. We've been interviewing a good handful of corporate road warriors to get an understanding of what they always take with them, what makes their trip smoother, and what they leave behind. Since rolling into a meeting with a fully packed out 40-liter backpack while wearing a suit doesn't really create the best first impression, we may introduce our first roller bag onto Pack Hacker 2. And also, of course, we'll pair that with a nice tote or backpack that is more business focused. So you can be sure there'll be at least one bag on the list. I've been curating the men's side of the list, and Rebecca has been working on the women's side of the list. And you can be sure that we're going to launch both at the same time when we launch the guide. So there will be men's focused options and women's focused options. We would love to know your favorite items and things that you don't leave home without when you're going on a business trip, as well as any other travel hacks that you do to make your trip a little bit smoother. So please leave your thoughts, comments, and product suggestions below in the comments. We're almost at the end of 2019, and we have a couple of content updates and other bigger pieces in the works. First, if you haven't seen our Sling guide yet, be sure to go check that out over at packhacker.com. We cover a bunch of different sling styles and why you may want to use each style for certain situations. Plus, we talk about why they're good for everyday carry and travel. And while we're in the holiday season, it's important to note that slings make great gifts. They are the right price for gifting, and they're a nice little item that someone may not purchase for themselves. Next up, we have about 60 duffels on the way to us right now in the mail, so we're gonna start curating and pulling together our duffel bag travel guide. We're excited to get our hands on all the duffels and learn more about this classic kick-around bag, learn about the different types, the different sizes, and when each type and size may be good based on what you're trying to carry. If you haven't seen it yet, our quick hit videos are in full swing over on the Pack Hacker Quick Hits channel. Lately, we've been putting out 1 video per day, and sometimes it's short like a quick hit should be, and sometimes we get carried away and go into way more detail than we should. These are fun and a great way to supplement our written reviews because sometimes a video is so much better at visually describing things compared to photos and text. We like that we can get our thoughts to you right away when a new product arrives in the mail too. So if it's a new release and we haven't had a chance to test it fully for a full review, we can make a quick hit video to get our thoughts over to you. So make sure to head over to that channel and subscribe if you haven't already. And one more update regarding the layout and functionality of our website. Our travel gear reviews page has been completely revamped. We now give you the flexibility to filter by gear type. So if you want to take a look at all travel backpacks, you can look at those. If you want to take a look at packing cubes or slings, you can filter down by that as well. And you can sort by rating, relevancy, and liter size. We're really excited about these updates and we'll continue to improve this page as we work on the website for longer and post more reviews. Thanks for taking a look at this episode of Overpacked. Before you go, make sure to frequently check our deals page for the best deals on travel gear and sign up for our newsletter to get access to the Deals Vault. Enter the $1 Flight Club giveaway for your chance to win a free trip to New York City. And please leave a comment below with your favorite piece of business-focused travel gear. That's it for Overpacked episode number 5. We'll see you in the next video.